guys, today I'm going to do a hair tutorial on how to curl your hair with extensions. So I don't think I've actually said this on here before, but they're not going to look great. I've barely brushed my hair today. I've got Beauty Works extensions in the shade Chocolate, and I've had them since about, when did I get them? July. Like very end of July, like last few days. I've worn them pretty much every day. They're clip-ins. They're 20 inches, I think. I'm looking at the wrong place. I'm looking at myself. I need to be looking at the camera. I'm so sorry if my eyeline changes. I can't do it. Right. I've always been more of a hair person than a makeup person. I just wear like bare minimum of makeup. Like I love it. I spend so much money on it. But when it comes to it, like I barely use it, and I don't know why. I just think that because your hair frames your face, it creates more of an impact on the look if you spend loads of time on your hair rather than your makeup. So if I'm going out somewhere straight after work, for example, and I only had like, I say 40 minutes to get ready, I'd spend 30 minutes on my hair, 10 minutes on my makeup. Like that's just the type of person I am, and I don't really know why. But yeah. So I love my extensions. Everyone says they look really real. Like when I went back to college after summer, people were like, oh my god, your hair's grown so much. And I was like, no. I was gonna get extensions anyway, but obviously like every British girl who watches Love Island, I found out about Beauty Works from Molly May. So I'm typical. I'm using the Beauty Works Professional Styler. I got mine from Pretty Little Thing because I had free next day delivery for a year, so that's where I got mine. But yeah, so also what I like is that my eyeline's wrong again. Oh, so I don't know if you can see that, probably can't, but if I do that, it goes. Okay, it's backwards, but you can see that like it's going up gradually, and it's not just like waiting until you hear a beep or like something like that. Like if you press the arrow buttons, it's like so good because it's so precise. Like you can do it by 5 degrees. It's not a twisty thing where you don't really know where it is. It's clear what it's on. So I'm going to separate these into separate pieces because obviously that's what separate means. Why am I so stupid? I just lob that all in like a top knot bun type thing. Some people, not even joking, genuinely do this and then just curl it and then go out like that, which I think if I did it neater I could get into, but it's like that at the back. I don't know if that looks anything nice, but anyway. Also, I've been told I speak really fast, so I'm trying to slow down. Sorry if you can't tell. The brush I'm using is actually one that I think they suggest not to use because it's got the little bubbles that could get stuck in the clips. I'm just careful, and also I have a Tangle teaser, which is like the thin ones anyway, so they won't get, yeah. But I'm not brushing the actual clips at this point, I'm just brushing the hair. I like them because they're like dead silky. But yeah, and like if you wash them and like, oh yeah, don't wash your hair with them in. I know that's obvious, but like don't. Oh my god, my eyeline. Just ignore me. But yeah, so I do it in quite small pieces, and also make sure that the hair doesn't like twist, because when I curled it I used to like twist it all and then it wouldn't curl properly. So yeah, I leave them on for about, I'd say maybe 15 seconds. So that's what it looks like. I learnt this from the Molly May hair tutorial. Just keep it up there until it's cool. It takes a long time, this, I will not lie to you. So yeah, just be prepared. But it looks good in the end, so yeah. I've just gone through it with the little comb. I usually have the Beauty Works hairspray, but I ran out, so yeah. But I just put it on the brush and then just put it on it. I just like tap it through so it doesn't take out the curls. Just because then it's just a bit more in there. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, again, comb through. See what I mean? Like, do you see what I mean? It's still curly. Then I just realised I probably could do it on this. Just gives it a nice little bit of texture and like, I don't know, I love it. I'm going to take a scrunchie. Well, actually, I'm going to wait for the hairspray to dry. And then I'm going to put a scrunchie in and start on the next section. Now this next section is usually quite small, so it's a lot quicker, but then you're kind of like perfecting everything and then like taking the little strands of hair, which is what I do, so it ends up being longer, but yeah. So this is pretty much the finished product. Yeah, I just usually leave it down after this, but like you could take a little bit of it up, or could do half up, half down. But yeah, no, I'm not a hairstylist in the slightest. Oh wait, no, oh, I think I could have probably not done that in the video. But yeah, so I'm not a hairstylist in the slightest, but this is just what works for me. Also forgot to say, always keep it on 180 if you don't want to damage your extensions. You know, this is probably the best little tool to have come into my life since I've absolutely no idea. Probably just the most helpful tool in my life. Like, I love it. These are my extensions. Oh my goodness. Like, my hair is up to here, I'd say, normally, if not shorter. And it's just, I just love them. Like, it's made me so much more confident. And when I go to dance and stuff, it's nice when you have a big long ponytail to like flip around and stuff. I hope this was helpful. If you see anything that I did wrong, or like you think it might be more helpful to do it another way, then tell me, because I am completely open to criticism. Nice criticism, please. And like helpful comments, because I want my hair to be good, and this might look shocking to some people, so yeah. But this is how I do my hair. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.